Husqvarna has once again raised the bar for serious off-road enthusiasts with the introduction of the FE350 Pro for 2026. Combining the agility of a lightweight chassis, the punch of a high-revving four-stroke engine, the FE350 Pro has been engineered to strike the perfect balance between extreme performance and rider control. As part of Husqvarna's Pro range, the bike receives a host of race-bred components and electronics usually reserved for competition machines. A clean grey bodywork paired with a distinctive white frame sets it apart, while the Map Select switch unlocks access to traction control, engine maps, and the new Quickshifter. Bodywork, minimalistic grey plastics combined with a striking white frame exclusive to the Pro lineup. Seat, fitted with ribbed traction strips for added grip in wet or muddy conditions. Factory protection, disc guards, front VE rear, frame protectors, fuel line guards, and clutch slave cylinder guard come standard. Optional factory wheels, CNC machined hubs paired with Excel Takasago rims for maximum strength and style. The FE350 Pro's understated styling screams ready to race without unnecessary flash. Single cylinder, four-stroke, DOHC. 349.7 cubic centimeters, 88 mm bore x 57.5 mm stroke. Transmission, 6-speed with DDS wet multi-disc clutch and electric start. Fueling, Kihin EFI with a 42 mm throttle body. Pro electronics, Quickshifter, clutchless upshifts from second gear upward, and traction control, both adjustable via the Map Select switch. Homologation, fully €5 plus compliant. The FE350 Pro delivers a broad spread of torque, razor-sharp throttle response, and the kind of electronic refinement that turns a good enduro into a championship contender. Chassis, suspension VE geometry. Weight, dry 110.7 kilograms. Fuel tank, 8 liters. Wheelbase, 1,489 millimeters. Ground clearance, 343 millimeters. Seat height, 952 millimeters. Front suspension, 48 mm WP XACT closed cartridge forks with revised damping and hydrostop. Rear suspension, WP XACT shock with linkage, optimized piston design, and updated settings. Frame, chromium molybdenum steel with hybrid polyamide aluminum subframe. Brakes, Brembo calipers with 260 mm front disc VE 220 mm rear disc. The combination of lightweight, premium WP suspension, and Brembo stopping power ensures the FE350 Pro feels equally at home threading through rocky trails or blasting across fast-fire roads. Electronics VE rider aids. Map Select switch lets riders toggle between engine maps and enable to disable traction control VE Quickshifter. Quickshifter enables seamless clutchless shifts under load, improving acceleration and rhythm. Combined start-to-stop button, redesigned for simplicity and durability during race conditions. Off-road control unit, OCU centralizes all electronic functions for improved reliability and diagnostics. These features elevate the FE350 Pro into a modern, rider-focused machine where performance meets precision. Pricing VE availability. TE300 Pro, £11,749. FE350 Pro, £12,049. Availability. The FE350 Pro is expected to hit dealers from January 2026.